Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I want to warn you, once you see how good this steamer from Phueut works, you're going to want to clean everything in your house with it. This is a multi-function tool that will let you clean almost anything in your house, all with just steam cleaning heat. In addition to the actual steamer, it comes with 12 different attachments that you can use literally anywhere around your house that you want to apply steam heat. Once you get the unit filled with water using the enclosed measuring cup, you can see the light change and then it's ready to go. That's all you need to do. You have a push button so that steam comes out as you're cleaning, and you can see I was able to use it on glass. I used it around the edges in my shower, whether it be in the basin or on the actual grout. It just did a fabulous job. Because you can't see the water level, they have a really good safety feature. You cannot take the top cap off until it's completely cooled down and it's ready for more water. But once you add more water, you're good to go again and you can continue cleaning. The cleaning with the water lasts probably about 20 minutes each time. I was even able to clean the mysterious dirt and grime that appears around my washing machine and around ledges of our sliding doors, which also just mysteriously get so gross and dirty. It's a little embarrassing actually. But once I applied the steamer, you can really see such a difference. The sills were like new and they're completely clean of all of that dirt and grime. Such a great feeling. So even though you still have to do the housework, this steamer is going to take out so much of the extra labor that you might have been putting into cleaning. It literally will clean almost anything in your home, and it's all just by that steam cleaning heat, which I absolutely love. But that's just my point of view.